Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our Grandstream webinar this morning. We'll be starting in about 2 minutes, so thank you for joining in. So please let's check the audio. If you can let us know if you can hear us loud and clear. We'll be using the question panel. This is a panel on the right side of your screen. If you can let us know throughout the question panel if you can hear us correctly. Ms. Duran, thank you so much. All right, so please identify this module, this section on the right side of your screen. We'll be using it throughout the webinar to answer all of your questions. So if you have any questions about the products or if you need any information, additional information, we'll be here to help you. Mr. Santillana, thank you so much. All right, so we'll be starting in about 2 minutes. And we want to remind you this month we'll be having our certifications in El Paso, Texas. So if you are in El Paso, Texas area, please contact your sales representative to register to our two certifications that we'll be hosting on the 19th and 20th of this month. So please take advantage. It's directly from Grandstream, and it will be a certification by Johan Suarez as well as Marcelo Alagoa, who are the presenters for this webinar.
Hi, Victor. Hi, everyone. This is Marcelo Alagoa from Grandstream Support. I wonder if you are seeing the presentation screen and you hear me loud and clear. I don't know if you, Victor, can help me
Yes,
confirm that. I cannot see the comments from the.
I can help you with that throughout the webinar. No
Okay.
problem, Marcelo. And Mr. Rangel, thank you. He just confirmed that he can see the screen correctly. Mr.
Okay.
Santillana, yes, we just got your email and we'll be helping you right away. So if you have any support issues as well, we have our technical support ready here at EPCOM that can help you with your next project, or in case that you have a product that you're configuring at the moment, we can help you with that as well. Mr. Araiza, thank you so much. All right, great. So welcome everyone. We'll be having our Grandstream IP telephony access points and cloud management platform webinar. Marcelo Alagoa, who will be our presenter for today, as well as Johan Suarez, and as well as the engineer Benjamin Ojeda, who is our engineer for EPCOM. So thank you everyone for joining in. We'll be sending this recording at the end of the webinar. We are always uploading all this recording to our YouTube channel, EPCOM USA, where you can check all of these webinars. So Marcelo, if you're ready, we can start.
All right. Thank you, Victor, and thank you everyone for your assistance and your time to be at this webinar. So, as you said earlier, this is a startup promoting some certifications we are going to have at Del Paso. Okay. I apologize if I misspell something or I say something in the wrong language. I speak 3 languages, and sometimes it's very difficult to say the correct words. Okay, so let's do our best and let's start with this webinar. We're going to talk about UC networking and our new solutions of convergence. Okay, this is an interesting proposal for Grandstream or from Grandstream, unifying all the solutions you see networking in one product. Okay, let's see some details first about who is Grandstream for those who doesn't know or who don't know. Grandstream is a unified communications and networking solutions designer and manufacturer. Okay, we are an American enterprise or company founded in Boston at 2002 with plus 600 employees in spread all over the world in 14 countries. Okay, and our products are sold and used, of course, in about 150 countries, almost all the world, with global presence, with some offices at US, as you can see in the map. Okay, we have our headquarters in Boston. We had a technical research and development offices in Dallas and LA. Our support center for Latin America, of course, is at Venezuela, and we have offices in Morocco to attend the European market, and of course in China, our manufacture branches. Okay, so let's start with UC and VoIP solutions. Okay, we have vast offer in several kind of products. We have IP phones like GRP, GXP, WP series. Okay, IP phones with a new design with very rich features for communications. We have, of course, the IP video phones, the GXP series, well known from 2015. The ATAs, the adapters of analog telephony, the gateways, HT800, GXW series, also well known from several years, and our video conference and collaboration solutions. Okay, so let's start with the carrier grade IP phones, the essential ones. Okay, the GRP 260X series with several models with simple and easy to use devices. Okay, with zero touch provisioning, mass deployment, of course, an easy management. Okay, very simple. This is our entry level IP phones right now, the GRP 260X with models with gigabit ports, PoE, and of course the Wi-Fi version of these basic phones. Okay, with 2, 4, or 6 SIP accounts, 5 conference hosted by the phone, of course, backlighted LCD screen without backlight too. So we have a very interesting offer on this segment. Okay, so we go into the carrier grade to IP phones of professional level, 261X with several phones with a state-of-the-art, okay, design, a very interesting design, unified firmware, a better user experience, of course, and we have several models too with offer with up to 16 lines, okay, for secretaries, hotel receptions, and any kind of scenarios you think about it with a large volume of calls. Okay, so we are going to show you the hotel phones, the GHP series too. We have basically you are seeing 6 different phones, but it is actually 12 models. Okay, so the difference is by mainly by shape, okay, color, and network connectivity. Okay, we have phones with Wi-Fi, with PoE, these compact phones right here. Let me see if I can use a pointer. Hold on a second. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Okay, Okay. Laser point. Okay, so those first models are compact ones without LCD screen. Okay, and of course these two on the middle has no LCD screen also. Okay, but as I said, the difference or the main difference is about the color of the phone, the network connectivity. We have phones with PoE, with Wi-Fi. Of course, the Wi-Fi ones has no PoE, and we have a new couple of models with an LCD screen. Okay, also with PoE and Wi-Fi options. Okay, uh, all of them can be provisioned and managed by GDMS. Okay, our management platform. We continue with WP series. So these are the Wi-Fi IP phones designed to provide some a variety of businesses and vertical market applications. Okay, with some interesting features, mobility and durability, of course, to suit all these needs you can have or your clients can have. Of course, we have actually we have 6 models. These 4 models are the first one. The WP820 was the first one and still being sold. WP18, WP832, WP825, the ruggedized one, and we have a new offer of Wi-Fi phones, the WP816 and 826. Okay, these are a new design IP or Wi-Fi phones with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, a battery life about 6 or 20, 12 12-hour talk time. Okay, some interesting features like push to talk. Okay, once connected to the Wi-Fi network, accelerometer, and rich features on voice level with Opus, Audio HD, advanced roaming features, and other more. Okay, so we go now with the GXV series. Okay, basically are our video phones, also smart video IP phones with Android. Okay, so we can have these advanced and audio and video communications on a tablet-like IP phone. Okay, so basically we have some models with a tablet-like screen with 7 inches screen, 8 inches screen. We have this 3470 with a vertical presentation of the screen, and we have, of course, this hybrid model with the touch screen and the physical keyboard. Okay, so these are interesting IP phones with Android. We can download several applications to collaborate on them or through them, and also it will work with our PBX. Okay, the brain of all our communication solutions. Okay, this unified communication system. Okay, is now an entire ecosystem. Okay, with all the tools you need or your clients will need to mobilize their business without any complications. That's the goal. Having no complications at the time we are making the installation of the UCM, the phones. Okay, so this is an entire ecosystem. We're going step by step. First of all, we have two different, let's say, two different series of UCM. The UCM 6300 audio audio series. Okay, this is a voice-oriented unified communications and collaboration solution. Okay, this is an audio based PBX. Okay, this is basically the word audio is because it doesn't have the video conference features that UCM 6300 already have. Okay, so we have all the collaboration tools that allows our employees to connect from their desktop, from the mobile devices, from IP phones, tablets, etc. And of course, it is fully compatible with the entire ecosystem for remote workers. Okay, we are going to talk uh, about it a few slides ahead. Okay, and we can, of course, set up and manage this UCM through our platform, our management system or platform GDMS. Okay, the other one is the UCM 6300 series without the audio suffix. Okay, this series has uh, uh, 4 models too, okay, with more capabilities. We can have on this series up to 3,000 users. Okay, we can have also web meetings and video conference because it has these features built in. Okay, so we can use also a GDC series, video phones. We can have these video conferences or video meetings with up to 4 to 9 video feeds and up to 80 participants in a video conference room. Okay, so these UCMs have more power, more processor, more memory. So in order to have these features about video and collaboration, and of course we can manage these UCMs through GDMS too. Okay, so this ecosystem, this UCM ecosystem, it converts the UCM in a hybrid solution, okay, and in a hybrid communication platform, very easy to use, okay, which combines the power of an on-premise IPPBX with the facility, the flexibility to remotely access and manage this hardware through a cloud solution, okay, through a remote solution. So we can have these value-added services to offer to our clients, okay. So this ecosystem has a name. What is the name? Is the UCM Remote Connect. This UCM Remote Connect is a service, let's say, that combines these features from the UCM, okay, and the flexibility of having these cloud platform features, okay, to build a secure solution for remote workers, basically for remote workers, and a companion cloud services for the UCM 6300, okay, with an automatic NAT firewall traversal to ensure that communications to be secured, okay, and an easy to use platform and features with UCM Remote Connect, okay. So using this ecosystem, we can have these let's say users, okay, these users on the client premises, but we can have also remote workers, okay, going through GDMS, and of course remote connect they are combined on the same platform. So we add the UCM to GDMS, we start or we turn on remote connect plan, okay, to have this facility for remote workers to log in through the Grandstream Wave application, okay, to log in or register their extensions on the IP phones, on the Grandstream Wave mobile, on the Grandstream Wave through PC, okay. Also, we can connect third-party apps like Microsoft Teams, like WhatsApp Business, like Telegram, okay. So this service provide this NAT traversal, this automatic NAT traversal. We don't have to do anything here at the firewall level in front of the UCM. So the UCM goes out through the firewall, of course. If the UCM has an internet connection, they can connect with GDMS, of course, and remote connect. So this provides a secure and simple connection. We don't have to do anything on the firewall side. Just allow the UCM go to internet. Okay, we don't have to do anything else. We don't have to open ports. We don't have to configure forwarding rules that can generate some conflict and maybe generate some NAT issues, okay, like no audio, one-way audio, etc. So this connection is secure, okay. We have a very powerful secure connection. We have an enterprise-grade security algorithms, okay, to secure this connection and warrant the privacy of these communications, okay. So of course we have a built-in SVC that can controls the entire communication from point to point, okay, and secure all these communications very well, okay. So that wave app I mentioned before, okay, what is it? So this is basically an application, okay, we can use through our mobile phones, our cell phones, Android, iOS, okay, and of course we can use it through our PC, okay. PC can be Windows based, can be Mac based also, okay, and we can use it also through web browser like Chrome, like Edge, like Firefox, Safari, Opera, okay. So basically we have no excuses to use this application on any environment, okay. And this application provides these features like voice and video collaboration tools, okay, for businesses using this UCM 6300 series, okay. So this is ideal for remote workers, but we can use it, of course, we can use it on the same UCM subnet, okay. This is not limited for remote workers. We can use it anywhere, basically, if we have internet access or if we are on UCM premises, of course, okay. So this is a easy to use platform to join, schedule, and hold meetings, join, use, schedule calls, join conferences from basically anywhere we have an internet connection we can, of course, enter or register our our extension. And the best of all is this application works with this new UCM 6300 and the entire ecosystem. Of course, we have now a novel, which is the Cloud UCM. The wave can be also used with this Cloud UCM. Okay, the Cloud UCM is a new platform. Okay, it's basically or it basically have all the features I mentioned about the UCM with some I don't want to say limitations. I rather prefer to say with different options. Okay, for each scenario, for each client individually. Okay, so we have several service plans designed for this Cloud UCM service or product. Okay, that also offers an entire comprehensive communications and collaboration platform with voice, with video calling, with meetings, with chat, through Wave, of course, data analytics, mobility, surveillance, all through the SIP devices from Grandstream and from other vendors. Okay, we are not limited to use this platform with Grandstream products. We also have space for other vendor products since they comply with some basic features like SIP TLS transport or SRTP for secure the media packets and use STUN as NAT traversal. Okay, so these are very basic features that almost SIP devices now on the market have already. Okay, so we can access from anywhere on basically any device. We can access it through GDMS, and also we can use our extension on the Wave application for desktop, for mobile phones, and web. Okay, so this allows the users to communicate from basically anywhere at any time. Okay, so as I said before, all the GDMS platform, not limited only for cloud UCM or remote connects, but all the GDMS platform has an enterprise grade security and is a very reliable platform you can use on a daily basis. Okay, so all the data is safe with a built-in SVC, as I said, that that can delivers this encryption technology that can warrant the communications point to point. Okay, and of course this is thanks to the Amazon Web Services. That is the platform which it is installed into. Okay, so this Amazon Web Services provides 99.99% of reliability. So basically, we have a protection, okay, or a kind of immunity to environmental outages. Okay, the UCM or the Cloud UCM and also the entire GDMS are hosted on 5 different data centers, okay, from Amazon Web Services to have this reliability. So this all this availability of 99.99%. Okay, so the UCM cloud, or let's say my mistake, the cloud UCM. So the cloud UCM is an enterprise grade or has an enterprise grade security and reliability that keeps all the data safe. Okay, it provides a built-in session border controller, or SBC, well known as SBC. Um, as I said before, hosted on Amazon Web Services, which guarantees this reliability of 99.99%. Okay. Of course, we have all the encryption technologies as TLS, TLS 1.2, 1.3, SRTP, and DTLS SRTP to encrypt the zip traffic with TLS and encrypt the media traffic with SRTP or DTLS SRTP. Okay, with high availability support coming soon. Okay, we are going to have our development team is basically is going to implement some high availability support to have this feature, using the UCM cloud as a backup of the physical PBX for those clients who want to use this high availability scenario. Okay, we're going to have it. Okay, and of course we have very powerful on integrations and expansion, not only using cloud UCM but using Wave. Okay, so these integrations are available through Wave application using the cloud UCM or the UCM 6300 ecosystem with UCM Remote Connect service. Okay, so seamlessly we can integrate the cloud UCM or the physical UCMs with third-party systems like Microsoft Teams, like I mentioned before, WhatsApp Business, Office 365, Salesforce, several CRMs, several PMS, okay, property management system for those who has or hotel clients, okay, hospitality clients that uses PMS, okay, ERP system, of course, live customer service platforms. We have live chat also through Wave, Google Drive, and even more applications that those that are pointed out on that slide. Of course, we have an API and ACK packages available for customization. Okay, if you want to customize that integration with a personal development, okay, you can do it through our API or SDK. Okay, so basically that was the UC, okay, the UC portfolio of Grandstream. Not the entire portfolio, but the more interesting products and services we can offer on that market. So we are going to talk about networking solutions. Okay, this is an interesting market we currently are. Okay, or Grandstream currently is entering this market of networking. Okay, already has a couple of years, but this GWN series as a networking solutions is our fastest growing product line. Okay, so we have all the tools We have all the products you can use or you can offer to build a powerful and secure excuse me, a powerful and secure network setup, okay, with a good performance, with an easy management, okay, which includes a vast portfolio of access points, indoor access point, outdoor access points, routers, uh, management systems, networking switches, okay, and three different free management options, okay. So let's start with the GWN router series, okay. We have basically two router series right now. We have the Wi-Fi routers with Wi-Fi 5, okay, and Wi-Fi 6 options. These Wi-Fi 5 can support up to 100 clients, and which is the GWN 7052. Okay, this on the left side. Okay, with the external antennas, and the Wi-Fi 6 option will be the GWN 7062 with supporting up to 255 clients simultaneously. Okay, uh, both of them with dual band. Okay, two antennas, multi-user MIMO. Okay, with cloud provisioning and management using GWN Cloud. Okay, we have a built-in controller embedded on the product web UI. Of course, we are going to have, or we have, of course, actually we have VPN. We can build mesh networks. We have firewall features and more features, okay, on these GWN Wi-Fi routers, okay, and we have the wired multi 1 gigabit VPN router, okay, with GWN 7001, 7002, and 7003 with a multi-one offer. We have 4, 6, or 9 Ethernet ports, all of them configurable. Okay, we can have up to 5, up to 4, up to 6, WAN connections on these routers. Okay, we can have load balancing, and we can have failover. Okay, we need at least one of these ports as a LAN port. Okay, all of the rest can be set up as one ports. We have an integrated VPN tunnels with IPsec, with OpenVPN, with WireGuard, okay, which is a very easy to use VPN solution. All of the network ports are gigabit, okay, including the SFP ports. We have the 7002 and the 7003 with up to SFP ports, SFP gigabit ports, okay. And we also have on these two models, 7002 and 7003, two ports that act as a PSE or provides a PoE energy to power up a network camera, to power up an IP phone, for example. Okay, so we can have these ports acting like a PSE or PoE out, like you wanted to identify it. Okay, we have a firewall built in, an enterprise level firewall with the DNS, port forwarding, of course, INT, DOS, traffic rules, NAT, ALG. We have application and URL filtering, okay, advanced QoS for traffic prioritization, of course, okay. All of these resources on the and more on the multi 1 gigabit VPN routers of GWN. Okay. We continue with the Wi-Fi access points. We have our strongest GWN portfolio, or not strongest, but our higher portfolio is on access points side. We have this offer with 12 access point models. We have the 7603, 7605. All of these 636 models are Wi-Fi 5. Okay, these 5 models below are Wi-Fi 6 certified by Wi-Fi Alliance. Okay, we have this new model GWN 7660E, okay, which has also is Wi-Fi 6E access point. Okay, we are going to have more and more models until the end of 2024. Okay, we have also the outdoor access point with Wi-Fi 5, the 7605 LR, 30 LR, the 7660 LR. Of course, this is the Wi-Fi 6 outdoor for 7660. The 7660E LR, the new outdoor access point with IP67. Okay, certification IP67 for these for those environment scenarios which needs that protection grade. Okay, and we have the GWN 7664 LR. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the GWN switches or network switches. We have also a very interesting offer on this portfolio. We're starting with the GWN 7830 series. This is a layer 3 aggregation switches. Of course, they are managed. We have 3 offers with up to 12 SFP plus ports. Okay. We have also a combination of Ethernet ports and SFP plus ports. Okay, we have the layer 3 managed switches. Okay, the GWN 7810 series with models that offers 8, 16, and 24 ports or gigabit ports. Okay, with PoE plus offer on 8 ports on the GWN 7813P. Okay, so we have 7 models because we have the switches with PoE and without PoE. Okay, we are going to offer. We are offering already a layer 3 managed switch with 48 ports with and without PoE. We also have this GWN 7800 series. Okay, this was our first offer on the switch market. Okay, with layer 2 plus managed switches. Layer 2 plus, and why is that? The layer 2 plus is because we have an entire layer 2 switch plus a few layer 3 features that can fit on these switches. Okay, and we have a cost-effective. We need those specific layer 3 switches, but offering a lower price device which complies with those specifications, or can comply with these with those specifications that can be asked. Okay, we have this GWN 7711 series. This is a layer 2 light managed switches. These are entirely layer 2. It has no layer 3 functions, has no layer 3 features as layer 2 plus can have. Okay, and we have the unmanaged network switches with a vast offer with uh, 8 ports, 8 ports with 4 of them with PoE, 16 ports, 24, 48 ports, uh, totally unmanaged switches. Okay, so this line, this GWN line, can be managed through 3 different options. Okay, we can basically configure, monitor, and deploy all these products using the cloud platform, the GWN cloud. This is now merged with GDMS. Now it's all the platforms are under a unique login, under a unique platform. You can switch from GWN Cloud to GDMS to Cloud UCM, everything under a unified login, a unified account. Okay. Of course, this platform is totally free. Okay, is based on Amazon Web Services. Okay, we already know this Amazon Web Services hosting provides the 99.99% of availability. We have also a mobile app which can be installed on Android devices, on iOS devices, and we have the web UI interface, okay, to manage and deploy this system, GWN and unified communication systems. Okay, with unlimited devices. We have no limit about the devices. We have no limit about the sites or clients we can manage through the GWN cloud. And of course, we offer a secure cloud provisioning system with a state-of-the-art, enterprise-grade security level that we can provide to the clients. Okay, we have also this platform, GWN Cloud, embedded on software that can be installed on a local server. Okay, for local server deployments. Up to 3,000 devices can be managed using the GWN Manager. We can install the software, or we can run the virtual machine. Okay, we can download the virtual machine file and run it on any computer, basically. Okay, this is also free. You can go to the Grandstream website and download the software or download the virtual machine file. Okay, and we have built-in controllers for the access points. Okay, on the product itself, on the routers, Wi-Fi routers, multi-gigabit VPN routers, we can have this built-in controller to manage the access point configurations through them. Okay, it is totally free. It's embedded with the device's web UI. Also, the access points itself has this embedded built-in controller. Okay, and this can be used on local network deployments of 30 to 50, depending of the device which will act as master. Okay, we can have, or we can control up to from 30 to 50 or 800 devices or 100 GWN devices, basically access points through these devices. Okay, so basically this is an overview of the GWN cloud. This is the dashboard. We can see all the informations we can have. We can have the one information, okay, the internet connection information. We have a network health monitor. We can see the router if it is online or if it's offline. Of course, the same for the switches, the same for the access points. And we can see the clients which are wired or are connected through the Wi-Fi network. We can have a topology. We can see bandwidth usage for all clients. We can split this usage of and see the traffic or the bandwidth usage for all clients, for wired clients, for Wi-Fi clients. Of course, the count or the yeah, the clients count, okay, all over the time, and also have all the configurations available. Some interesting features like geolocation. Okay, we can geolocate the access points. We can set it on the on a map. Okay, this map uses OpenStreetMap. Okay, which is very accurate, and also we can have the heat map. Okay, where we can upload a floor, yeah, a floor plan or a floor image, okay, and set it up the materials which are present on the scenario, and positioning the access points. It can be virtual devices or can be already deployed devices. We can set it up here on the map and turn it on the Wi-Fi signal, okay, to have an idea, okay, how the access point signal is spread out on the scenario, and the impact that the materials can have on this signal spread. Okay. Sorry. So the GWN cloud is basically, or not only the GWN cloud, all the cloud platform, including GWN, including Cloud UCM, including Remote Connect, including GDMS. The entire platform is a multi-tenant platform, so we can have an office, for example, we can have an office at Boston, we can have a deployment in London, several malls, shopping centers, public spaces like parks, stadiums, etc. So we can control everything easily from one location, since we have this internet connection to enter our GWN account, our GDMS account. So this provides an easy to use platform. This provides this easy to monitoring features, and you don't need to go to the client's scenario. Just an extreme case, you need to have to you need to go there. Okay, but basically you can monitoring if your client has any issue, you can probably solve through this access. You don't need to go over there. This is a cost reduction fees, okay, for those services you provide to your client. So basically, why you should choose the GWN series solutions? We offer a 3-year warranty, standard for all GWN models. We are talking about the Wi-Fi routers, the wire routers, the access points, the switches, all levels, managed and unmanaged. Okay, so all of the GWN models has or have actually have 3-year a 3-year warranty. Okay, the free management options we see through the GDMS. Of course, we are talking about the GWN Cloud, the GWN Manager, embedded controllers, built-in controllers to configure the access points locally. Okay. Of course, we have a secure product out of the box. Okay, with an entire security level, enterprise grade security on all models. Okay, the access points at the first use, for example, broadcast an SSID based on the 6 last digits of the MAC address. Okay, and you need a Wi-Fi password to log in into that network. It is not an open network, so this is something like a very few vendors can offer on their products. The GWN switches and GWN routers has no open access to the web portal. You need a specific password to enter for the first time. On that first access, you are asked to change that web password. So it is a very secure offer right out of the box. Okay. Of course, the easy installation of the access points, adding new access points, new routers, new switches by scanning a barcode with the GWN app. This is a facility. No, that's not the word. This is a very interesting feature you can exploit on your site. Remote management, of course, through the all the management options through the cell phone app, to the web access, advanced features like VPN, QoS, captive portal, mesh connections on the access points, and the last ones, but also as important as the other ones, you have all of the Grandstream products or all the solutions you need to cover. You can do it using the Grandstream products with a one-stop shop. Okay, because we offer all these solutions for networking, for UC. Okay, and of course we have stock on our distributors. Okay, and to finalize, to end this webinar, this presentation, we are going to talk about the GCC series, these conversions solutions we are offering now. We have a couple of days. We launch this new product. You won't see anything like this on the market. Okay, we have an integrated VPN router, a next generation firewall, an IPPBX, network switch, and Wi-Fi access points coming soon. Okay, for now we have this 4-in-1 VPN router, next generation firewall, IPPBX, and network switch on all-in-one product. Okay, so this is the GCC series, the conversion solution. This is an extraordinary, a revolutionary product that redefines the communications experience. Okay, by merging all the UC and the networking solution in one only platform. Okay, all-in-one solution for business needs where you can create and manage wire and wireless and VPN networks. Of course, the security solutions with enterprise-grade security algorithms, voice and video communications and collaboration platform, all in one device. Okay, you can of course manage this product with GDMS. You can manage this product using the local web UI built in the device. Okay, and of course the GWN manager. Okay, we can also have the control and the management of Grandstream endpoints, all the endpoints we see before. We already saw on the previous slides, can be managed with this centralized control that offers the GCC series. Okay, so basically it makes very easy to sell, very easy to deploy, very easy to manage this basically state-of-the-art business solution. You can not, or you won't find any kind of solutions like this on the market. Okay, so we started with the GCC 6010. Okay, we are going to launch the GCC 6010W, which provides Wi-Fi 6 connections. Okay, on the future. I don't know exactly the date. And the GCC 6011 with more gigabit Ethernet ports, or even multi-giga Ethernet ports. Okay, so we have all the specifications here. One of the interesting, one of the most interesting offers or features, actually interesting features, is the next generation firewall built in. Okay, which is available in all the GCC 6010 models. Okay, we have an anti-malware certification grade A with IDS and IPS features, advanced threat and attack protection. Okay, we can or this product can instantly identify and have a response of the most sophisticated attacks. Okay, it supports application and protocol monitoring. Okay, we have an enterprise grade content filtering and application control. Okay, and we have an adaptive intrusion and detection prevention, which is the IDS. Okay, and IPS with signature-based scanning, real-time SSL deep inspection. Okay, blacklist and whitelist for those SSL communications, and GOIP enforcement will be available on the next feature pack. Okay, of course, we are going to have the IPPBX with all the solutions we already know from the UCM systems. Okay, cloud UCM, physical UCMs, all the features are available on this product. Okay, basically, or as entry level, it supports up to 12 users and 4 concurrent calls, but we will have some upgrades available for separate purchase that can provide that expansion up to 200 users and 24 concurrent calls. Okay, so these plans currently are not available. It will be available for this separate purchase or acquisition. Okay, probably through the distributor, like the cloud UCM and remote connect plans. Okay, of course we will have, or we already have on the GCC 6010 a full voice and video communications collaboration platform with calls, with meeting, with conferences, with chat, instant message, file sharing, whiteboards, all through the, guess what, all through the Wave application. Okay, so that Wave app we saw before, to use with the UCM 6300, with the cloud UCM, we can use it here on the GCC 6010 PBX, okay, feature with all the tools we already know and we already use on the UCMs, okay, physical UCMs, 6300 and cloud UCMs, okay. Uh, it is also compatible with SIP endpoints, okay, with all the UCM features we already know, call forward, transfer, incoming calls, IVR, SIP trunks, emergency calls, etc. And of course, all the integrations with PMS, with call centers, with CRMs, and an API available for external integration. Okay, so coming soon, the GCC 6011 will have 10 gigabit Ethernet ports and 2 multi-giga SFP ports. Okay, currently we have the GCC 6010 with 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 multi-giga or 2.5 gigabit SFP ports. All these ports are WAN or LAN configurable with a maximum of 3 WAN ports, and we can mount it on a desktop or on the wall. Okay, so the target markets. So we can offer these to every small to medium business, retail stores, chains, service providers, and uh, and a very large kind of scenarios and clients you can imagine. Okay, so basically it provides a seamless end user experience with all these communications and data and security needs under one only product. Okay, which has the firewall, next generation firewall, which has the router, which has the PBX, all in one product, this revolutionary product, disruptive product on the market, okay, and basically under one roof, okay. So this is a state-of-the-art communication platform that is easier and more affordable than even a business to build, okay. A secure platform which has all the elements separate, okay. So you can have all of the elements in one only product, okay. For those small scenarios, for example, we will have this GWN 60 10W, which will provide a Wi-Fi 6 connection. Okay, so this, of course, will offer a lower cost product than purchasing the 4 products separately, and one manufacturer and one system for all solutions, and of course only one support for this product. Okay, so you don't have to talk with the router vendor, you don't have to talk with the switch vendor, you don't have to talk with the PBX vendor separately, so you can have all the support in one point. Okay, so to end or to finalize the idea, Grandstream is basically a one-stop shop for all your communications solutions with unified communications, with voice and video IP phones, with Wi-Fi IP phones, with the PBX gateways, management platforms, with networking solutions, with Wi-Fi access points for outdoors, for indoors, with Wi-Fi routers, with wired routers, with management platforms also, and this new revolutionary product the conversions solution to provide this cost-effective product for your clients. So this is the end. So a big thank you to all of you. And don't forget to follow us on our social media on Facebook. That Twitter logo shouldn't be there. This is an X social media, and of course our YouTube channel, Grandstream Latin America. We have several videos, tutorials, webinars you can use on your daily basis. So, guys, do you have any questions? Do you have any inquiries about the presentation?
Yes. Hello, Marcelo. Thank you so much for this presentation. And yes, we do have some questions from Mr. Rangel.
Mm-hmm.
This is about the APs that you were presenting, and he's asking us what's the difference between the 7660 and the 7660E. So what's the difference between those two APs?
So basically, it's the Wi-Fi 6E, okay, which provides a Bluetooth antenna, okay, with BLE to provide IoT solutions and communications, okay, and that is the main difference between those access points, okay, and basically also this 7660E provides 160 megahertz bandwidth channel, okay. So it for those products, for those clients, computers, cell phones, which has this support for that channel bandwidth, it will provide that kind of connection. Okay. Any other questions, Victor?
Thank you so much, Marcelo. Yes, we have more questions. One, and also if you want to send us any questions, we're going to be here for a Q&A space. So please feel free to send us any questions. We're using a question panel. This is a module that you have on the right side of your screen. So Ms. Duran, yes. So Ms. Duran, she's asking us in regards to the web app, could I support 3,000 attendees sign into a single meeting with video and voice for a company-wide meeting?
No. Okay. If you are using the physical UCMs, you can have up to 3,000 users. Okay, you can have up to 3,000 extensions registered, but not all of them can be joining a video conference or an audio conference. Those UCMs has limitations for those features. Okay, for example, the UCM 6308 has a capacity of 10 video conference room and up to 80 video conference participants. Okay, spread it all over those 10 video conference rooms. Okay, it can be 80 at one conference room, or can be 80 divided on those 10 conference rooms, and you can have only 4 video fees on each conference room. Okay, so this is a limitation for the UCM. We can have the same, or we already have this limitation on the cloud UCM. The cloud UCM, let's say the business plan. We have several plans. The business plan is the biggest plan with up to 200 users and 64 simultaneous calls. Okay, so on the cloud UCM, if they are using the business plan, we can have, for example, one meeting room, okay, with the same 4 video fees, and 64 participants. Okay, this is limited by the platform itself or the plan itself. Okay, I hope to be clear at this point. Okay.
Thank you, Marcelo. Yes, that was great information for that question. And we have another one from Miss Carla.
Mhm.
Okay, so she's asking us, could you please share the recording of this webinar or where can we find it? Okay, so we're going to be uploading this webinar to our YouTube channel. This is EPCOM USA, but we also will be sending you the link for this recording to your email. So if you need any additional information from this presentation, or if you have a project coming up, on the following up email, please just let us know what are your inquiries or what are your requirements for your next project, and our support team will be helping you right away. So,
Victor, I don't know if you agree. I can send
yes,
you the presentation on PDF format,
yes,
so you can share it with the clients too through
that will be
the
amazing.
email.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
If you can share that presentation, we'll host it on our server and we'll have it available on the follow-up email. This
Yep.
will be done by Celeste. She's also part of this training, and she will be contacting you after the training in case that you may need any additional help. As we talked at the beginning of this training, any
Mhm.
message that you send us, we have a technical support team that is ready to help you. So we have another question from Miss Carla. Let's check. Do you have any type of support for these deployments, or if we have any concern with the equipment? Well, yes, that's what I was talking about. So on this session, we have the engineer Benjamin Ojeda. He's one of our engineers at EPCOM, and he's in the networking area. So he will be your main contact for any project. And then in case that you need technical support, we have another area that will help you plan and decide what are the products that you need. Of course, also Marcelo, he is another asset that you can always ask for information about Grandstream. So any project that you may have for PBX or IP phones, or even for access point networking, we're ready to help you.
Yep, of course.
So yeah, those are one of our key elements here at AppCom, that we have direct technical support, so you don't have to go and look anywhere else. We can help you directly with our products. And as well, if you are on El Paso and Las Cruces area, we're going to be hosting a certification for IP phones and for GWN. This is for the networking APs. We'll be hosting these two trainings on May 19 and May 20th. So if you have any interest of attending these certifications, please just contact your sales representative, and we'll be sending you more information on the following on the follow-up email, so you can register to these certifications. Okay, so we don't have any other question at the moment. So if you have any other question, just send it on your email, and we'll be happy to answer all of those questions directly to your email. So we want to thank again to Marcelo and to all the Grandstream team that helped us this morning with this training, as well to Benjamin Ojeda, who was part of this training, and all the EPCOM team. So thank you again for your time this morning, and we hope to see you in our future sessions. Marcelo, I don't know if you want to add anything else.
Uh, just to thank you everyone for your time and the collaboration of your team, Victor, all of you at EPCOM. This is an amazing job we are doing here. So let's continue, and thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much, Marcelo. We hope to see you pretty soon in El Paso.
Yep.
And thank you, everyone. We hope to have a great day and the rest of the week. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.
Have a good one. Goodbye.